it says evaluate this. So, don't have a calculator. When I don't have a calculator, don't have a graph, it's not Riemann sum. So I want to find the antiderivative of this. Since I don't have a rule, but I do have two multiplying factors, I'm thinking u substitution. And I'm thinking here, if I make u equal to g of x, take the derivative, so my choice of u came from the first of the two multiplying functions. And when I took the derivative of my choice is exactly the other multiplying function. So that looks great. So I keep doing the u substitution stuff. So I move the dx over. I need to change my limits. So when x has a value of -2, here's my formula. When x has a value of -2, because u is equal to g of x, that makes u equal to g of -2. Here's g. Here's x equal -2. That's -1. So that limit is -1. When g has a value of, let's see, when x has a value of 3, that means my u value is going to be g of 3. So u is equal to g of 3. G, when x is 3, the value of g is 1. So we change everything. We've got new limits here. Make sure we get them in the right places. And we're going to replace g prime of x dx. G prime of x dx gets replaced with du. F prime of g, because u is equal to g, becomes f prime of u. Now we know the antiderivative of f prime of u is just f of u. Don't go back to x. Evaluate from 1 to -1. It's kind of bad writing there. So we're evaluating from u equal 1 to u equal -1. So they plug in. Can't stop there because it's function notation. Although if you have everything in the red box, you do get 2 points. The final point is for just looking up f of 1. F when x is 1 is 2, right there. And f of -1 is 8. If you write down -6, that's fine, but you don't have to. That's the third point, so 3 total points.